Welcome to Waterfall Energy Cleanse. Refresh your energy. Frequency cleanse. Refresh your energy. Today is Monday Manifestation, episode 37. It's a guided meditation. Today we're doing an energetic reset, a grounding ritual. We're doing relax and receive. Relax and receive. Relax and receive. There's a lot of people around here all of a sudden. They're doing like a photo shoot. It's funny because the thought came to mind because I was all ready to set up because I couldn't go live. The connection wouldn't happen. I really wanted to go live here. And then all these people showed up with this like exotic like photo shoot, like this horse. And like this girl, it's either her wedding or her prom. And so it's just like bombarded with people, and but I don't mind. I mean, it's a public place, right? The more the merrier. The more there is to celebrate. Relax and receive. Every time I do that, a bird goes by and like relax and receive your energy upgrade. And attract specific opportunities to excel in your life. Utilize the 528 Hz frequency of cascading water to flush out the fear-based mindset that makes you feel not good enough, and attract specific opportunities to excel in your life. Harmonizing spirit and strategy, washing away small-minded mindset, washing away fear-minded, washing away scarcity mindset, offering a fresh perspective. Attract specific opportunities to excel in your life. Attract specific opportunities to excel in your life. Relax and receive. Relax and receive. Breathe in abundance. Let out fear-based mindset. Let it out. Relax and take a deep breath in, breathing in all of the rewards, blessings life has to offer. Receiving, believing, achieving, wash away all of your doubt, fear, and worry.